First Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back. That Arctic air pushing back across El Paso County right now. 22 degrees is the current temperature with that breeze. It feels like 10 degrees out there. Low clouds back in across the Steel City. 20 degrees is your current temperature, but with that upsloping wind at 16, it feels like 6 degrees. So obviously, if you have to get out, you'll want to dress in layers. And I wanted to show you this right off the top because it's going to impact your weekend, and it is going to be a dramatic change. Coldest air we've had in years by Sunday, too. But wind chills on Sunday, 15 to 25 degrees below zero, and yes, there will be light snow across the Pikes Peak region. In Pueblo, same exact temperature regime, 2 degrees for your high on Sunday. Feeling much colder though with the wind, and roads will be slick and icy. Just want to stay indoors and hibernate inside the house. Here's what's going to happen around here late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We've got that moist upslope flow pushing that air right up against the foothills once again. So early tomorrow morning and even overnight tonight, not out of the question to see some light snow. Colorado Springs, Pueblo, freezing fog, a strong possibility. Maybe even a touch or two of freezing drizzle across parts of the viewing area. That stuff is going to stick around through early tomorrow morning. Then exit could actually see a few sunshine breaks in some areas during the day tomorrow, but it's still going to be colder tomorrow than what we had today. This is your big weather story. The worst of the cold arrives on Sunday. Good energy dropping down to the southwest of us. We'll have that upslope flow at the surface. So the typical 1-2 punch, some very cold Arctic air and snow in your forecast. Again, it's not going to be a big fall of snow, and unfortunately it's going to be a dry snow. Water content very low with this. Dynamics just not right for one of those nice wet heavy snows that we need so badly around here. Here's the way the snow is going to evolve. Snowing over the Continental Divide by mid-afternoon. That snow eventually makes its way off the mountains across the I-25 corridor. Right now it's looking like 5 to 6 p.m. on Saturday is when that snow is going to arrive around here. Going to continue Saturday night, going to continue overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning, then ending rather quickly by, let's say, midday on Sunday. And here's what happens Sunday night. This storm clears out, skies will clear, and we'll have the coldest night we've had in a long time. Lows will drop between 12 and 20 degrees below zero Sunday night into Monday morning. So here is your bottom line. High impact storm. You need to check your car battery, check that furnace filter, make sure it's clean because your furnace is going to be obviously working overtime. Protect your pipes and protect your pets. Bring those pets indoors. All right, here's what's going on right now. Just off to the northeast of us, the air is exceptionally cold, and look at the wind chills right now. I wanted to point this out. Rapid City, 34 below. Casper, Wyoming, 37 below. Wind chill right now. That air will be modified by the time it rolls in here, but nonetheless, it will be a piece of that cold Arctic air pushing into our area by Saturday into Sunday. Today, Pueblo, another day below freezing at 25. Colorado Springs, we mixed out enough to land at 36 degrees this afternoon. Warmest day we've had since Monday. Overnight tonight, low temperatures dropping back into the singles and teens, and right now we're close to those numbers out across the far eastern plains. It is really cold, lows into the single digits tonight. Overnight low temperature right there in Eads dropping down to 0. Colorado Springs will be at 9. Pueblo tonight, overnight low temperature of 10 degrees. Tomorrow, even colder than what we had today, and that cold air is just going to reinforce itself across our area throughout the weekend. There's that Sunday high of only 2 degrees. It's a 3 on our storm impact scale. Again, I just want to encourage you to stay indoors if you possibly can. Wind chills dangerously cold. Monday morning, we drop down to 12 degrees below zero on the thermometer. A high, if we're lucky, Monday of 12 above zero. A new storm comes in late on Tuesday. What that'll do is scour out this cold Arctic air. No heat waves, but at least 37 on Tuesday is going to feel nice and mild compared to what we'll be dealing with over the weekend. Pueblo, it's a show no mercy Arctic invasion. Those wind chills over the weekend from 15 to 25 below zero. The worst of it hits Sunday, Valentine's Day. Probably want to give your sweetheart something she can utilize, like an electric blanket. How about that? Stay indoors, stay safe, stay warm. You could get maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow by Sunday afternoon. There's that low Monday morning dropping down to 15 degrees below zero. Canyon City painfully cold through Monday. You haven't had an extended period of back-to-back days that cold in years. Your car battery going to take a beating. Furnace will be working non-stop. You'll want to open the cabinet doors under the sink so those pipes don't freeze. And just light snow in your forecast from late Saturday into midday on Sunday. Woodland Park, it'll be mild tomorrow compared to the weekend. Bring in that firewood, top off your gas tank, grab some groceries. You will not want to be outdoors Saturday afternoon through Sunday. Roads will be slick and icy. Temperatures bone-chilling cold. It's a 3 on our storm impact scale, guys.